Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Harmonic EA for MT4. We'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the features described by the developer, look at how the system operates, and discuss the historical testing and evaluation process before wrapping up with some final thoughts. So starting with the marketplace listing, Harmonic EA is currently available for 550 US dollars, with rental options also available for traders who prefer to test it before committing to a full purchase. 1 month rental is 70 US dollars, 3 months going for 120 US dollars, and a year going for 250 US dollars. All right. The developer describes this as a multi-pair and multi-time frame expert advisor that continuously monitors multiple instruments across different time frames in search of shark and bat harmonic patterns. Now, as I scroll through the description, one of the key concepts highlighted here is that the EA can be used in two different ways. All right, it can operate as a fully automated trading system, or it can be used as a signal generating tool where traders use the identified patterns as potential entry opportunities within their own trading approach. The developer explains that entry points, stop losses, and take profit levels are defined directly from the detected harmonic patterns. All right. According to the description, entry levels are displayed with golden lines, and stop losses are marked with red lines, and 6 separate take profit targets are shown using blue lines. This creates a structured framework for trade management based on the identified pattern setup. Now, moving into the features section, Harmonic EA supports multiple assets and multiple time frames, which allows it to scan a wide range of markets simultaneously. Risk management is also highly configurable, or rather highly customizable, with adjustable risk settings, automatic stop loss placement, take profit targets, partial position closing, and trailing stop functionality. Another feature worth noting is the built-in shark pattern indicator. The EA also allows traders to disable automated execution completely and simply use the pattern detection and alert functions for manual trading decisions. This flexibility may appeal to traders who prefer to retain control over trade execution while still benefiting from automated pattern recognition. Okay, so now looking at the settings, traders can choose which symbols to monitor, enable or disable specific time frames ranging from M1 through W1. Okay, define trading hours, configure alerts, adjust reward to risk ratios, and control how trailing stops and partial profits taken are handled. There are also options for ECN account compatibility and automatic lot sizing based on percentage risk. The developer notes that performance tends to be stronger on higher time frames and also recommends maintaining a reliable connection to the broker, ideally through a VPS environment. Moving into the historical testing discussion, whenever evaluating a pattern-based system like this, it is important to focus on how consistently the strategy identifies and manages setups over time. Longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable historical analysis because they expose the system to different market conditions and price structures. Looking at the chart behavior and the information provided, we'll be expecting the EA's activity to be centered around identifying harmonic structures, right? defining predefined entry zones and managing positions through stop losses, multiple profit targets, optional partial exits and trailing stop functionality. But let's just head over to our strategy tester. Since no tester reports was displayed here, we'll just work with our own testing, right? Harmonic EA, we're testing it on Euro USD on the H1 time frame using the every tick modeling, and we're testing over the past 3 months. So from the report, I can see that initial deposit is $10,000 and total net profit was negative $9.55. The total trades taken were 7, out of which 3 were profitable, giving us a 42.86% win rate. And here the largest profit was $31, largest loss was $31.1. The average profit was $24.87, while the average loss was $21.04. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is not so bad, but it's not very good, because the difference between the average profit and the average loss is not much. So the risk to reward ratio is close to 1:1. Now let's turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. All right. So because the trade framework is tied directly to the detected harmonic patterns, much of the position management process is already structured before a trade is entered. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed strictly as historical testing performance and not as a guarantee of future returns. All right, actual results can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Harmonic EA for MT4 offers an automated approach to identifying shark and bat harmonic patterns across multiple symbols and time frames. All right, so whether used as a fully automated trading solution or as a signal generation tool, I would recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering live deployment, so that you can determine whether it aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So here we can even see how the expert advisor identifies patterns, just like how this one was identified just now, along with these important levels placed. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.